Hi guys, welcome to the Daily Muse channel. My name is David and today I want to show you on how to make the perfect Daily Muse Drip Coffee. Come and follow me. So first and foremost, grab your kettle and then just fill it up with water to the level that you need. For the purpose of this demonstration, I filled the kettle up to half a liter mark and then just switch it on. Wait for it to boil. Depending on the water level and your kettle's power capacity, it only takes between 30 seconds up to a minute for the water to boil. Grab your cup or mug ready. Take out the coffee bag from the packaging. Pay attention to the top perforated area of the drip. Tear open just along this perforated line here, like so. Find the flaps that's located on each side of the bags and then place it over the cup. This is what's going to look like once we put the drip coffee bag over our cup. Now we take our hot water, pour it to the center of the drip and add in a little at a time and wait. Watch for it to drip. Now this drip process is a filtration process. This is important because we are really extracting the beautiful aroma, the beautiful taste of the coffee bean itself. Before making your coffee, just have a quick think about how strong you want your coffee to be. If you want a strong coffee, put less water in the cup. If you want a weaker coffee, put more water in the cup. We suggest just starting off by pouring the water up to the middle of the cup, and then you can adjust it from there. After pouring in the water, let it rest for about 3 or 4 minutes. Then it's ready to be served. And the last step is put your coffee bag away in your recycling bin. You can always add sugar or milk to your coffee, so however you like it to be served. Right guys, so that's pretty much how you make your perfect Daily Muse cup of coffee. Enjoy and we'll see you in the next one.